Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I bring to you an unboxing. Yes, I know. I'm supposed to be on Van Island, but I could not resist this piece because this, in my opinion, is a very iconic piece from Louis Vuitton and the movies in the 2000s, which is where I grew up. So I cannot wait to show you this piece. I already pre-opened the box, so it's easier to show you. I got this at a local consignment vintage store. So I love that it comes with the original dust bag because you know me, I love my vintage pieces to come with the complete set. So this is the brown dust bag to reveal. Dun, 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 dun. I already have two of these items. Yay! It's the multicolor pochette accessoire. And you may recognize this piece from Mean Girls, Lindsay Lohan. I'm going to insert a picture right here. So yeah, I solely got this bag because of that movie and because of Lindsay Lohan. So let me show you. This is the multicolor piece that Marc Jacobs designed for Louis Vuitton in collaboration with Takashi Murakami. And the listing said that it was in perfect, excellent condition, which I already can tell that it has a lot of dirt, but you can take that dirt off. So I'm not really worried about that. I love this piece. I love that this pochette accessoire comes with a strap of vachetta leather and with the studs, and also the strap has the studs, and it comes with the chunky zipper, which is like the Marc Jacobs signature, the chunky zipper. And this one comes with the microfiber interior, which is a burgundy color. I love the microfiber lining. I also have a pochette accessoire in epi with the interior in microfiber lining, so I'm very used to that. The bottom looks like this. These are the sides. This is the front and this is the back, and the listing says perfect condition, and I'm repeating that to myself because this is not perfect condition. I can tell that this is a little bit yellowish right here and right here, only on the sides. These front and back panels are not yellowish at all. But yes, this was really good price. I'm going to put the price down below because I don't remember the price, and I already had a credit on that store because I sold them a lot of my stuff. So I said, why not? So I got it for a really good price and I already have credit. So that's one thing to have in mind. And I'm not planning to use this little strap because obviously it's too small for me, but I like it and I'm going to keep it there. But now I'm going to show you how I'm planning to use this piece. And I'm planning to wear it with my strap from my Speedy bandolier in monogram. And the bag looks like this with the vachetta strap. I think my strap is a little bit lighter, but I think it works good. So cheers. So this is another of my multicolor pieces, the Wapiti. This is in the noir and the small logos. So I thought that it was going to be cool if I added the Wapiti, like somewhat of a multi-pochette situation right here, which I think it's really fun. I love this. I think this is going to be great with a Canadian tuxedo. Yes. Oh, let me show you like this. So what do you guys think about this? You think I should keep it? I don't know if I should keep this bag, just because, I mean, the condition is not that terrible. I'm definitely concerned about the yellowish part here and here, but you let me know if I'm being too overreacting about that, because it's not really a deal breaker for me. But I mean, the listing said perfect, right? I want perfect. But this is my new piece. I supposed to be on Van Island, but I could not resist it. And what do you guys think? Should I keep this bag? Let me know on the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to see how I'm going to style this baby if I keep it. Also, let me know that. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video.